sorry, I don't remember. I forget my wife's anniversary.
Hi, my name is Andrew Tankard. I work for Toyota Canada, Toyota University, and I'm going to take you around the 2024 Grand Highlander and what makes it kind of unique. So, Grand Highlander is all new for 2024. It presents actually with 3 powertrain options. Here we actually have the Hybrid Max version, which is new for the Grand Highlander. It has 362 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. But still, you still have the option of getting our more traditional Toyota hybrid system, which is very similar to what's in, say, the Highlander. And also we have the 2.4 turbo engine, which is your gas model. So new for Grand Highlander is definitely what it's going to differentiate it between the regular Highlander is, first of all, the size, right? So the third row space is significantly improved, competing with some of the best in class in terms of third row legroom. Also, even with the third row up, you can still fit up to 7 luggages, carry-on luggages behind the third row. It's an all-new interior, an all-new exterior for Grand Highlander. So the one we have here is the Platinum version, which is your Hybrid Max version. What's unique about that one is, first of all, it has a combination ultra suede leather interior, some unique copper trim on the interior, and a lot of great features, including Toyota Multimedia, which is actually standard on all Grand Highlanders, and you actually get a 12-inch screen on the interior no matter what the grade you get. Also, TSS3 is standard on Grand Highlander. A lot of great updates for TSS3, including like full range radar cruise control, more object detection, and also twice the range in terms of the actual types of objects that it can detect. It's a great vehicle, a lot of options. You have either 7 or 8 passengers as well, versions, which you can get depending on the grade. And you should see some great fuel economy numbers, especially from the Toyota hybrid system version. Part of the safety package, as standard, is TSS3. So with TSS3, you get a lot of standard safety and updates from previous versions like TSS 2.5, but you get some unique updates, including new object detection, including motorcycles, has left and right turn intersection support. So if you're turning, say, in an intersection and there's a pedestrian, say, crossing, it can actually detect whether or not you're going to intersect with either an oncoming vehicle or a pedestrian in an intersection. The 2024 Grand Highlander will be available starting in the summer of 2023. So you'll be available from your local dealer, and pricing will come out before then as well. We don't have pricing yet, but you can expect that before launch as well. Come to the Canadian International Auto Show, to the Toyota booth, and see a lot of great new products, including the Grand Highlander and some other great things that we have that are new for this year as well.
Shifts.
It's got all-wheel drive.
That's beautiful.
The Crown is brand new for this model year. It is a new nameplate for Canada, so it is actually a global nameplate for the first time, and it has been sold. It's actually in its 15th generation now, but it's making its return to Canada. It'll be sold in 2 versions. All-wheel drive is standard, so you have your Toyota hybrid system, which is your traditional Toyota hybrid system, and you have now the Hybrid Max system, which adds a lot of additional power, 362 horsepower, and that's the addition you see here. in this particular version. So it is what Toyota is saying as the sedan reimagined. So it is a sedan, and it sits in the full-size sedan segment. And it is part of our whole lineup, as Toyota offers now a vehicle in every single segment in Canada. And the Crown is actually supporting that particular stat there. So great, you have the option of getting either the fuel-efficient Toyota hybrid system or the more powerful hybrid max system, which you see here. And it actually has a unique two-tone paint color, which is, on the first time on Crown, it actually has a full-body two-tone that extends over the hood as well, which is pretty cool and makes the vehicle pretty unique from different angles. It actually has the biggest wheel on a Toyota sedan ever. It is only eclipsed by some of our trucks. It's actually a 21-inch wheel on this particular grade. So it's a very large tire, and it really stands out in this particular model. It's a luxurious vehicle, has a lot of great interior amenities, and a lot of space as well. So those who prefer the traditional trunk style from a sedan will really want to look at the Crown.
See, all-wheel drive, 7 seats, 2050.
So I'm standing here in front of the 2023 Prius, which is brand new for this model year. It breaks away from traditional Prius styling. It's really a striking vehicle. The first thing you're probably going to notice is that exterior styling. It still maintains some of the traditional Prius design elements, but it makes it much more sophisticated, much more sporty, and also a lot more elegant too, right? So it brings puts Prius in more of an elegant, sporty design for this particular model year. It upgrades to 19-inch wheels for the first time, done with the new TNGA platform that this is built on. The hybrid system is the 5th generation hybrid system. Improves a lot on power and still maintains that great fuel efficiency that Prius is known for. In terms of the interior, there's a new design concept with the interior. You have now more of a traditional interior as far as the layout. Gone is the kind of the center console gauge cluster that it has on previous generations Priuses. But it's much more elegant, much more upscale, and you can definitely, I think it'll appeal to a lot more people in terms of this generation's design. Now we're moving on to the 2023 Prius Prime, which is our plug-in version of the Prius, a very popular model, and it adds 50% more EV-only driving range for 2023. Also, along with that is a much improved powertrain in terms of performance. So you get up to 220 horsepower now, which is significantly more than the previous generation, and you still get that added range. And customers who are looking for a great balance of, say, hybrid-only driving as well as EV-only driving, this is a perfect vehicle for them because you have the option of doing both, and you can still plug into, say, a standard household 120-volt outlet and charge your vehicle. So a great option for those looking for that kind of EV range-only driving, and it's much improved for 2023.
Wait, both playing hockey before? It's not really that.
It's probably special.
So at the 2023 Canadian International Auto Show, there's actually an EV test drive track. Well, you'll have the option of booking a test drive for a couple Toyota vehicles, including the all-new BZ4X EV that is on sale in select markets in Canada now, new for 2023. So you have the option of driving that, along with also our plug-in hybrid RAV4, the RAV4 Prime. So it's a great chance to get first-hand experience driving what's new at Toyota and getting a sense of the driving dynamics of this particular vehicle. So come out and test drive it today. Okay, now we're next to a very unique vehicle in the Toyota lineup, the 4Runner TRD Pro, in its unique solar octane color for 2023. So what makes TRD Pro so unique? A unique bespoke suspension built for off-roading, unique tires, rock rails to help you protect your vehicle if you ever do go off-roading, as well as its own unique TRD alloy wheels. You get a lot of cool features as well. This roof rack also comes standard on the TRD Pro. A really exclusive version of the 4Runner. Those enthusiasts who like to go off-road, like to do camping, all that kind of thing, this is going to be a perfect choice because it adds a lot of cool flexibility and also is a great vehicle just in general as a daily driver, right? So 2023 4Runner TRD Pro, a really hot car. I'm a fan of this one. Come check it out. So I'm standing here in front of the Tundra TRD Pro. So the Tundra TRD Pro, built off of the Tundra platform, it comes as hybrid max only. So you're getting 437 horsepower as well as 583 foot-pounds of torque. So a great vehicle for towing, a great vehicle for your recreational purposes. It has a lot of unique features, much like the 4Runner Pro, right, with unique wheels, a unique exterior color as well, although this is just coming in the white version. It has a unique red interior option and a lot of great cool features that are part of the whole Tundra lineup, like its unique resin bed, a lot of great convenience items, including Toyota Multimedia, Toyota Safety Sense. So it's a really truck that you can drive every day as well as take it off-road, as you can see here. The 2023 Tundra TRD Pro.